guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya, and for today's video I have another phone theme. This phone theme is definitely a very cute phone theme, and I was listening to you guys' comments and I did find free phone themes or wallpapers. I know that sometimes it can be difficult to find themes, so I decided to give you guys some wallpapers that are super cute, and I know you guys will definitely like them. And all you have to do is message me on Instagram, Snapchat. We'll definitely give you guys the wallpapers. And honestly, I'm always changing my wallpapers and phone themes because it just makes me really happy and it motivates me. I love when it just looks really cute, and I definitely really like these, so I'm going to show you guys so you guys can get ideas for your phone as well. And I hope you guys like it, so if you guys do, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and let's just get this video started. For the wallpaper, this is the wallpaper name and creator. This is an OG favorite of mine, so I really like this one because it's just full of color, and a lot of it will match with the actual wallpapers that I'm going to apply. So I'm going to just apply this, and yes, this wallpaper is free, so that's great and I love it. And here we go. So it's just really colorful, really cute, sparkle, stars everywhere, like a fading of purple and blue. And then we have our little folders up here, super pretty. And then we have our calendar, which is all glammed up. Look at this, perfect. And then we have our calculator. We got the phone over here, super sparkly glitter stars. Here we have our keyboard looking really simple yet cute, and our messages. So it's just like the same glittery stars, and that's just really nice and really colorful. Now I will be applying the actual wallpapers. We are going to use this cute wallpaper as my lock screen. So I love how busy it looks. It's full of stuff, so that's really nice. I like how it's just like really girly all around. So we have the little twin stars, and then we have like little teddy bears and stars and more teddy bears, and just super colorful pastel. And there's a little quote that says, "Animals made of clouds move around happily in the sky." So look at these animals. These are the stuffed animals. It's a lamb, a little kitty cat, a bear, and then we have the other little twin star up here, and just more cuteness, and I think it's adorable. So I will be using this as my lock screen wallpaper. So here is a preview of my lock screen. As you guys could see, the numbers fit perfectly with the theme, so I love that, and it just looks so pretty. So I'm going to set that, and I'm going to also apply the home screen. So for our beautiful home screen, we are going to stick with the little twin stars because they're adorable. And look at this wallpaper. It is perfect. There's one teddy bear up here with like the shooting star, and there's a bunch of little stars everywhere, and like a pink purpley sky. We got a little duck over here with the moon, and little teddy bears with the little twin stars on a big giant rainbow castle right there in the clouds. How perfect is this? I absolutely think this is darling. So we are going to use this as our actual home screen. It's going to give you a preview. Look at this overview here. So perfect. I approve, and now we're going to set it. And here we go. So look at how beautiful it looks. And yes, these wallpapers will be available for you guys. Look, I can't get enough. This is stinking cute, and I think it looks really nice. And let's check out the lock screen. So here is the lock screen. It's so pretty, party everywhere. So I think it matches very well with our home screen. I hope you guys enjoyed and liked this wallpaper and theme for your phone. I just love making my phone really cute, so make sure to subscribe for more videos on how I decorate my phone and for other videos as well. And give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!